Hi everyone, today's headlines. Chief Minister Nefirio receives second dose of COVID vaccine, launches CVC at Tizama. Assam Rifles install 5 solar street lights at Longcham village, Voka. Joint Consultative Committee on RIIN to be formed headed by Home Commissioner. Nagaland issues revised SOP as COVID-19 cases surge. DC Mokuchang suspend all offline classes till May 2nd. Governor interacts with rank holders and toppers of HSLC examination of 2020. Nagaland 22 new COVID-19 cases. News in details. Chief Minister Nefirio receives second dose of COVID-19 vaccine, launches CVC at Tizama. The Chief Minister of Nagaland, Nefirio, received the second dose of COVID-19 vaccine today, April 17, 2021, and also launched the COVID Vaccination Center for Health and Wellness Center at Tizama, Kohima. Nefirio took to Twitter to update on his second dose of COVID vaccine and said, "Got my second dose of COVID vaccine and also launched COVID Vaccination Center for HWC at Tizama, Kohima." The CM urged all those who are eligible to get vaccinated and encouraged residents of Nagaland to avail the free facility now made available closer to their homes. He also appealed to strictly follow COVID-19 protocol and guidelines even after receiving one or both doses of the vaccine. Assam Rifles install 5 solar street lights at Longcham village, Voka. The Cheshvema Battalion of Assam Rifles under the aegis of HQ IGAR North installed 5 new solar-powered street lights at Longcham village, Voka district as a goodwill gesture under opposite Sadbhavna project. The PRO HQ IGAR North yesterday informed that the newly installed solar lights will ensure the security of villagers during the night. The initiative was highly appreciated by the villagers and they expressed their gratefulness to the battalion, said the PRO. Joint Consultative Committee on RIIN to be formed headed by Home Commissioner. The consultative meeting with civil society organization and tribal hohos on register for indigenous inhabitants of Nagaland was held at the Chief Minister Residential Complex on April 16, 2021. The Chief Minister Nagaland Nefirio, while delivering the keynote address, appreciated the efforts of the NPF party led by opposition leader T.R. Zilliam for vigorously pursuing the matter with the ruling government leaving aside their differences. He said the state of Nagaland came into being in pursuance of the 16-point agreement. As such, the state has a legitimate right to formulate its own laws and regulation for the interest and protection of its citizens. He said each tribe shall have its own village, regional and tribal council in order to deal with issues pertaining to violating of customary laws and usages. He also added that such councils are legal and mandated by the constitution by an act. Nagaland issues revised SOP as COVID-19 cases surge. The Nagaland government on Friday issued a revised SOP in view of the rapid surge in COVID-19 cases and the need for taking immediate measures for preventing the spread of COVID-19 in the state. The revised SOP said that social or academic or entertainment or cultural, political, religious functions and gathering is permitted outside the containment zone but limited to 50% of the seating capacity or 200 persons, whichever is lower, with wearing of face mask, maintaining social distancing, provision of thermal screening and use of hand wash or sanitizer being mandatory. DC Mokuchang suspend all offline classes till May 2nd. The Deputy Commissioner Mokuchang Lima Wabang Jamir ordered the suspension of offline classes from April 17, 2021 to 2nd May 2021 in all the government or private schools under Mokuchang municipal area and in the villages Ungma, Chuchung Yimpang, Kensa and Mokuchang. The DC in an order informed that in view of the detection and confirmation of COVID-19 positive cases in some schools in Mokuchang town and in the larger interest of public health and safety, all the government or private schools under Mokuchang municipal area and in the villages of Ungma, Chuchu Yimpang, Kensa and Mokuchang are hereby directed to suspend offline classes from April 17, 2021 to 2nd May 2021 and continue with online classes. Governor interacts with rank holders and toppers of HSLC examination of 2020. The governor of Nagaland, R.N. Ravi, had an interaction program with rank holders and toppers of HSLC examination 2020 at Dr. Imkong Liba Awo Hall, Raj Bhavan, Kohima on Friday, April 16, 2021. The governor, R.N. Ravi, congratulated the students and said that it is a matter of great satisfaction and delight in meeting the young achievers in whose hands the future of the country lies. He advised the young achievers that during this 1 year of their life, it is the most crucial time which is going to determine their entire future, and advised them to have a healthy routine, proper time management, and stay away from social media and to passionate with their targets. He suggested them to give more time to the subject which they find it difficult and reach out to friends or teachers if they have any doubt, or join a coaching where they can enhance more of their capabilities. Nagaland, 22 new COVID-19 cases. 22 cases of COVID-19 were reported in Nagaland on April 16. The new cases include 15 from Dimapur, 4 from Kohima, 2 from Moguchung, and 1 from Longleng. They include 1 from the armed forces or security personnel, 4 returnees or travelers, and 17 trace contacts. Meanwhile, 2 patients, 1 each from Dimapur and Kohima, have recovered from the infection, informed the health department. With this, the total caseload of the state now stands at 12,504. 12,102 patients have recovered so far, and there are 139 active cases in the state. That's all for now. To get this latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.